Hey everyone, Igor here with Velo Orange, and today I'm going to show you a brand new bike hack that's going to be able to shed a good amount of weight off of your bike. And the best thing is, it's totally free. So let's jump over here and get to it. They say that nothing is lighter than a hole. And back in the day, a lot of racers used to drill out all sorts of stuff on their bike to shed weight. Derailleurs, crank arms, handlebars, seat posts, all sorts of stuff. And today we're going to make this our subject. Our stainless steel water bottle. Oof, heavy. And it's going to meet our friend drill and drill bit. Alright, so let's get a starting point here. This stainless steel water bottle is 162 grams. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to figure out some sort of pattern that we want to do, and we're just going to mark it out. This is very scientific. Alright, now we have our pattern. Let's get to drilling. And before you do any drilling, make sure you have safety first. I'm going to grab my safety squints over here. So now we're all safe. You know, these are actually a little bit dirty. Put them back on. That's good, perfect. And now that we have our pattern all laid out, this is the fun part. Get to drilling. So, you get the idea. Now let's do the rest of it. For the sake of expediency, I decided to use my drill press. The funny thing is that I had forgotten I had a drill press. I bought it from my neighbor a couple years ago for $3, and it's very loud and it's very old. So put your earmuffs on. And here we go. This is the start. Alright, after about 5 minutes of work, here is the finished result. I mean, I'm no Peter Weigel, but it's pretty decent. I think it'll save a little bit of weight. Alright guys, let's weigh our new Drillium water bottle, see what we got. 156 grams? I'm not gonna lie, that's actually more weight savings than I thought this was going to be. But 6 grams? For free? People pay lots of good money off their derailleur cage or their bar tape or whatever for 6 grams. Over like a 10,000 kilometer race, that's like 2-minute savings. Those are watts. That's some serious savings right there. I can't believe I'm the first one that has come up with this. I think maybe it's a conspiracy. Maybe Big Water Bottle doesn't want us to know this dirty secret. Alright guys, last step is to fill her up and make sure everything works. Alright, everything looks good. Cheers! Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, I really appreciate it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more bike hacks just like this one. Until then, happy riding.